La Bomba, Pineapple Power Punch Pain Punisher. Unlock the power of nature with La Bomba. Discover the ultimate pain-killing blend of pineapple, ginger, turmeric, and cayenne pepper to soothe and heal your aches and pains once and for all. Experience a revitalizing elixir that not only relieves pain but also boosts your vitality, setting you on a path to vibrant health. La Bomba. Recipe. You'll need 6 circle slices of pineapple, a quarter pound of raw turmeric, a quarter pound of raw ginger, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper powder, 12 ounces hot water and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Step-by-step instructions. Add to blender 6 circle slices of pineapple, a quarter pound of raw turmeric, a quarter pound of raw ginger, 2 teaspoons cayenne pepper powder. Prepare the pepper mix. Add mixture of 12 ounces hot water plus 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Blend thoroughly until smooth. Strain the mixture to remove any pulp, if desired. Bottle and store in the refrigerator. How to use La Bomba, Pineapple Power Punch Pain Punisher. To fully experience the transformative benefits of a La Bomba, adults are recommended to enjoy 6 teaspoons, approximately 1 ounce, twice daily. Kickstart your mornings with 6 teaspoons to power through your day pain-free. In the evening, indulge in another 6 teaspoons to soothe away any lingering discomfort, ensuring you harness the dynamic blend of pineapple, ginger, turmeric, and cayenne pepper from sunrise to sunset. Embrace each dose to promote lasting relief and enhanced well-being. Experience the natural power of a La Bomba. Health benefits. Reduces inflammation. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Eases pain. Pineapple contains bromelain, known for its pain relief capabilities. Boosts immunity. Ginger contains gingerol, which supports overall immune health. Improves digestion. Pineapple and ginger aid in digestion with bromelain and gingerol, respectively. Increases circulation. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which enhances blood flow and nutrient delivery. Enhances absorption. Black pepper contains piperine, which improves the bioavailability of curcumin and other nutrients. Revitalize your health with La Bomba. Discover the power of nature. Unleash the potent blend of pineapple, turmeric, ginger, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. Feel the soothing relief from inflammation and pain, elevate your overall well-being, and thrive with a vibrant, pain-free lifestyle. To elevate your wellness journey even further, pair your refreshing elixir with a bowl of cherries, rich in anthocyanins, their most potent phytonutrient known for its incredible pain-killing properties. Embark on a transformative journey with La Bomba, where each sip invigorates your body and revitalizes your days with renewed zest and vitality.